So in this video, I'm going to go over someone else's essay. In this person's essay has really good thesis statement. She has very good topic sentences, but she has to work on getting rid of her first person case and her second person case. So here she has, everyone benefits from exercise, no matter the age, sex, or physical ability. Incorporating exercise to our daily routine will not only help you look good, but will also help you feel good. And so here you want to get rid of our and you, and you want to stick to third person case. So you would say everyone benefits from exercise, no matter who the person is. Incorporating exercise into a person's daily routine will not only help a person look good, but it will also make a person feel good. So I replaced you and you with a person, which is third person case. Exercise benefits many areas of a person's life and body. So here I replaced our with a person. Here are a few reasons why people or a person should make it a part of their daily routine. Exercise helps combat health conditions and diseases, improves a person's mood, and promotes better sleep. How does exercise help combat health conditions and diseases? So here we want to replace we, because that's first person case. People all want to be healthy, so why not exercise? So here you replace we with people. Exercise helps control weight, which is an important factor in preventing obesity. We get rid of we. People all know obesity is linked to a large number of health conditions, which includes heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and high blood pressure. Now, when you cite a medical fact like that, right here, you need to cite the source. So who is the author and what's the date? So right here, you need an in-text citation. By exercising, people can reduce the risk of gaining these potential problems. So here I replaced people, we, with people. Exercising will help reduce the risk of heart disease by strengthening people's hearts. So replace all of the our and a we with people, and improving people's blood circulation. Once again, when you state a medical fact, you need to cite the source. This in turn will help manage people's blood sugar and insulin levels, reducing the risk of gaining a metabolic syndrome and type 2 diabetes. Once again, every time you cite a medical fact, you have to put in Smith 2022, page 22. Exercise improves a person's mood. Is that possible? Very much so. Exercise releases chemicals such as endorphins and serotonin that help improve moods. Once again, you're citing a medical fact, you need to cite the source. This helps reduce feelings of loneliness and isolation, improving a person's mental health. Having good mental health is vital. People are less prone to stress and anxiety by exercising. So by exercising, a person's body and brain will help produce hormones and neurotransmitters that have a positive effect on a person's mind, memory, and energy levels, giving people a sense of well-being. So choose either people or person. Okay, I mixed it up and I wasn't supposed to do that. But you want to replace all of your first person and second person case with people or person. Promoting a better night's sleep. And then get rid of you. Look no further, can get a good night's sleep. Being physically active leads to better sleep. Physical activity increases sleep amounts while improving sleep quality. It can also increase duration of nightly sleep. Exercise will increase time spent in deep sleep, and deep sleep will promote a good night's rest. Making exercise a part of a person's daily routine will not only help the body stay fit, but can promote overall mental health and immunity. Lifestyles can be hectic, but fitting in exercise has a huge impact on a person's life, okay? And can help reduce the chances of gaining weight and help improve a person's sleep, but most importantly, a person's health. Therefore, exercise benefits people. So you get rid of I and say and you.